Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today, people, we got some deals for you all. If you're in the market and you're on a budget and you want an awesome smartphone that's not going to break the bank, now is the time to buy. Samsung is making you an offer you cannot refuse. We got the Galaxy S10 that's coming out. So all these deals are coming out right now. Take advantage of them while they still last. Now, with that being said, we got deals on the Galaxy Note 8, the Galaxy Note 9, the S9, and the S9 Plus. Now, you can get a deal at Best Buy for the Galaxy Note 8 for Sprint, and you can pay as low as $19.16 a month. This is going to be over a period of 24 months, and it's going to be for the 64 gigabyte version. Now, if you're with Verizon, you're going to pay $20.83 a month, and it's going to be for the 64 gigabyte version, and it's for 24 months. Now, for AT&T, you're going to pay $16.16. It's going to be over a period of 30 months. And it's also going to be for the 64 gigabyte version as well. Now, if you go through Sprint, you can get the Galaxy Note 9 for as low as $20. Remember, when it first came out, it was like $40 a month. Now, in order to get this deal for the Note 9, the S9, and the S9 Plus, you gotta get the Flex lease plan in order to get this deal. And I believe that's going to be over a period for 18 months. And for the Note 9, it's going to be the 128 gigabyte version. Now, for the S9 and the S9 Plus, I believe it's going to be the 64 gigabyte version. I am going to leave a link in the description where you guys can go check out these deals for yourself. But for the S9, you can pay as low as $9 a month. So if you're on a super budget, this is going to be a great buy for you. And for the Galaxy S9 Plus, you can pay as low as $14 a month. People, don't pass this deal up. It can go quickly. Now, if you're into refurbished, then of course Amazon has you covered. You can get a Galaxy Note 8 for as low as $409 out the door, people. No payments, no nothing. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. Hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know, are you gonna go pick up any of these phones, the Galaxy Note 8, the Galaxy Note 9, the S9, or the S9 Plus? Remember, the Galaxy S10 is right around the corner. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.